In many cases, when we talk to customers who ask us about their applications, we reach the conclusion that it's not necessary to weld a part and that with quality and precision dotting is sufficient for application. To facilitate execution, we will use our rapid dotting system. Very simple, just two parameters. Current is penetration, time is dot with it. We only dot where we want to weld and press the button. It is very important to dot with precision, as the times we use are too short that carrying out the displayed discharge will mean not welding the part correctly.